Nine ball's going close. Has it got the pace? Well, the 8. Fiddly little shot, this. Not for Shane.
Side, the safety side as much. Trying to be very accurate, trying to pocket the 8. And creeping up on that 40 where it'll be an automatic bid. First time bid into that
I always
hole.
feel like the player who gets off to the best start seems to win. I know it doesn't always work out that
50%
way.
of the time, and of course those are matchups like these here where they're really whoever plays their best pool.
Choosing to play this in the side, he went in the corner, but he felt like just rolling into this in the weight sort of.
Well, he wanted to come 2 cushions to get closer to this 3 that really kind of want. Quite the opposite. When you're in good position, that's when you should try to keep it. You know, be aggressive with the cue ball. And you know, how long ago was that they played? Most all sports, they always say, even if someone like Shane, of course, at the moment for sure, definitely a favorite. Beat someone twice in a row, such a great player like Albin in such a small time frame.
Ball title win was in 2022. He beat Albin 13-6 and a golden break. More Goldens. We need that stat, Jeremy. Nine ball's tracking again. Okay.
To Lee, Fraser Patrick against John Mora, Kazakas Grabe, Loho Sum, Tyler Starr, Aloysius Yap, Januarta, which I think is an interesting if he can hit the left side and really get the cue ball to go up much. I ain't got enough. Probably got more.
Yeah, just brushing off the Bumblebee 9 there.
Straight on the 5.
Because these are just a little bit more forgiving here this week. The problem with this is this shot, Jeremy. How many times do you underhit it?
And he's going to catch the 7 here as well. And
Mind, and I think he does all the breathing techniques that you can do as well. Wow, look at this. It's a really good pot. I thought he was playing the kick and stick for a minute.
pool, in my opinion.
And one of the toughest, well, these are just going in the middle of the hole. They're not even wobbling. Sends a big message to your opponent. Both opponents had a good opportunity to run the rack. And then Albin has just sat there and watched that. Put some thought into that. Maybe Shaw, to be honest.
Oh, you picked him last week to win, and
Yeah, I just feel
this
like...
guy at the table right now, it's been all business. And another one thumped in for SV. Kind of feel like, you know, it is. Just one kind of headline match after another, and wow. And every stroke looks so confident with
from where he left off. Right on cue. Does not play it past the middle pocket, I think, with a cue ball. We'll know before him if it's in. He's missed it. Where's it going to finish?
I like the cut more than the bank.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow, how'd he hit it?
Oh,
How'd he hit it?
Beautiful
There's
shot.
a dry
there.
break to open. We'll see how he improves there, and he has. Cue ball, it's going to be okay. The blue 2 upstairs. Oh, this angle looks beautiful, really. Is he playing the bank, drawing into the 8? I was talking about this with this man
He
yesterday.
just never seemed to leave you aside of the ball. Oh, that's beautiful. That really is beautiful.
The abilities to be able to escape snookers from the players these days, which I think is probably one
Make
of
you feel good if they come off. It's close. Yeah, I was wondering, is it going to wobble at the table? And he's got to look at this. It's a little
with the
light.
8 coming forward. Man, this is going to get up. You know, I really just think the dry climate has made these play a little easier.
Needs a bump.
He's going to get there. The beauty of any real first shot is you're not really creaming the ball to create speed. You know, like here, he knows it's going to probably get away. Yeah, way off.
Yeah, he was trying to come to the rack on the board. I felt like Albin off the break shot, Jeremy, could have drawn down the left. He decided not
But
to.
you know, it's on you to produce, and I think he would have got there, but
Well, I think that comes with just not
playing like this, and just like a lot of players are going to be impacting their opponent a little bit here.
Yeah, wonderful view there. He had to play 6. He can't really get the 6 out though, can he?
Nah, I don't think he's going to play a 2-rail collision back into the 6.
2 or 3 rails, find the gap, it's close. Oh, that is... Oh, it's amazing how many times you catch that point. It's not even...
And just say, hey, I'm going to stitch him up here.
Yeah, I mean, listen, you cannot fault him.
Yeah, it's quite amazing, really. I was going to say his first stroke on the draw didn't look...
Done well, and I'll tell you what, SVB, I think Alvin will take this.
Man. Okay. Now
Shane can get through it. That is heartbreaking. He needs to find the same with a little bit of swerve.
Could he follow this in with too much swerve? Oh no, you could see a lot of it.
Yeah, when I stood...
Really shootable from the center of the table.
Yeah, and often when you're not on your game like this, I mean, this is just not
Well, this
helping
one's a little too tough to go offensive. Shane trying to get... where he's standing or kind of where the cue ball's at now.
as he left the
Florida's Mustafa Alnar up against a very difficult Jonas Sudo, up 5-1 as Alnar starts today up 5-0 over Loho Sum.
Playing some good stuff.
For Shane to get that 3-game lead back.
Important rack for Shane.
Playing this event, I did play in Florida, and they played beautifully. Even though they were difficult, they were very good.
Forget the nines, because if you look where the pink is, that's what he's tried. Well, did he try?
I don't think so. He was trying to bump it a bit more.
Okay. Oh, he's done well there. He really has.
He's very...
4 rails, wrapping it around, doesn't want to hit the 8, and he's absolutely nailed this.
Or catch the corner, or be a lot shorter with the cue ball. So all
Open on the circuit. Couldn't have come at a better time. He's motivated. US Open. He's trying to find his peak 9-ball game for Texas. 6 days. This is 4 days done and dusted. It just, you know, you're getting into that weekend quicker as well, aren't you?
Yeah, just so much confidence and just so much the pocket.
And Shane's just three or four matches above him, so this is like that section. The winner of Shane's.
Pinning behind the 9-ball, it looks like, not taking any chances. Man, I like that. Get some separation of some sort. He needed.
He's been known to rifle. Dustin, you called it as well.
All right, maybe anticipated some kind of bump thing.
Yeah, they always make you feel good, these, if you knock them in. Which he did. Cue ball's okay. It's worrying this for Alvin. He's a birthday boy. Shane doesn't care. There's no presents from him. Showing us a couple of shots in that rack. SVB has crunched it. Where's the cue ball and the blue 2 going to finish? That's dressed up nice. Ooh, okay. Okay.
As he gets it
Miguel.
put on, he has it trimmed once, and that's it. He never scuffs it, never taps it after a miscue, never does anything.
I noticed him.
You know, some things going on there that. Oh, is he gonna
Fence
slide?
as usual.
Well, he's got that Q-Tech automatic pilot cue that comes with a little bit. He had a little issue with his cue there in the finals last week, I think it was, but
Thumped in to the.
with another monster
Trying to
thump.
bump the 4 off.
Not bad.
Yeah, I like that shot as well. Yeah, good cueing, smooth. That's
It's close. Trying to come one rail toward. Oh, he played from underneath, so. Yeah, better quality stroke. It's in a bad spot in the match score, but get to the breaking end, you never know.
Oh, wonderful kick shot from John Morant. Looks like he's going to get himself on 7. Pocket, did it go in?
Yeah, got it rifled in the side, really. Just hit it square. 9-ball exited quickly.
Okay, good break. 2's going to dress up. Yeah, he's not the pink here. Yeah, the rest of it's out of his hands. It's another one of them. Discussing coffee runs with us.
He's gonna get a little lucky here. Still good enough.
There's of course a piece of you thinking, looks like I'm on my way, but 2, he's 8-2 up. The winner of this match will play the winner of the Vogel. Three racks on break shot coming up here, and it's a good one. It's not a good result though.
You let him cue. Up on that table. Maybe use the 5-4 as a little cover. He played with more of an outside ball. Oh, you can see the right side of it. I don't know, is he swerving this slightly?
Wonderful. Really is. Kicking at this blue too. Jeremy, you will love the speed here.
Different types of splits on the balls, and here, of course, playing perfectly behind for this shot and return. They're both on the 3 as he banks the 2 back down. Oh, he was going for the cut. Did he have to swerve that? Oh my goodness, the point.
Yeah, it was that point that wasn't too kind to SV. The break off, isn't it, Jeremy, with the 1 ball? It's that first point and curves round the other one.
It's amazing, though, how the ball can straighten. He shot at it.
Yeah, Pet. Albin Ocean was unlucky to scratch in. Shane Walcott is on the hill. 28 players, double a layup to the final 32. The tour has got. There's the push out. How did it finish?
He's hitting more of a top ball. So ball came across. Boy, look at there.
Wow, that was close. Surely not. SVB is loading up. Not this time.
Going into the 8th, maybe? Oh, he could get past the side. Between the 8 and 9. High ball go long of the 8. He's got to get enough speed.
Yeah. You know what it's like, Jeremy. You know, obviously winner breaks as well. That is 9-6. You might end up with like an early combination. Outside chance of a golden. All of a
There's
sudden.
pros and cons to both, but making the players, of course, Albin wasn't laughing too much. He's got this 2-ball coming up table quite often, and that could be a really Pilovanovic. Big match for Sanjin, of course, too, trying to get those wheels moving in the right
He's
direction.
not that type of player, is he?
Well, I think he would open if he falls well here, though. Get off points. If things don't fall the right way, as great as he's been in the Moscone, and of course, Justin Bergman in the mix, and he's gotten knocked out here, so points are coming for him.
Trying to
Didn't
crowd.
put a ton of speed, but he held it up decently.
Oh, that is worrying. That was not close. Not only that, I mean, he's in the match, isn't he?
I think it's intentional.
No,
though.
I don't mean that. I mean, you know, when
I
you're
don't
playing, sometimes you do clock it, don't you?
Yeah, of course. But I think if you unscrew the cue, though.
Am I getting grilled on social media after that comment? Not one of them. It's not. Well, the glove is off, and it's not going to be a happy